おお、危ない。
Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm coming to Multiworld in Gifu Prefecture. The weapons used are Marui DSR and BFCM17CO2. The number of participants on this day is less than 40, which is about 3 times the usual number. It was very exciting.
あ、対岸がめっちゃ来てますね。
Because most of the allies are attacking from another route, I will fight with my friends to protect this place.
あ、人。
下どの辺？
多分結構近いです。降りてます。
I was shot from under the cliff. I was late explaining, but the rules can be revived up to 2 times in the medic game.
そう、この斜面の一番にいるハンドガンの方がいいと思う。もうすぐそこまで来てる。
Because there seems to be an enemy quite close, I will switch to handgun that is good to handle and deal with it.
了解です。
From the bush on the other side of this earth pipe, you can hear the sound of the enemy moving. It's pretty close. In the middle of the game, the gunshots became intense. The enemy is starting to move. I fired at the same time as the enemy, but this bullet was hit. The opponent's bullet was hit by an earthen pipe.
了解です。右下の敵倒しました。あ、人。
It will continue to be a medic game. This time, I will change the position and start from the other side. Because most of the allies are attacking another route, I would like to protect the earth pipe again this time. This time, I want to attack before this oil pipe.
右奥います。右奥にいます。あ、いますね。やりました。
あそこいるわ。 そこに真正面にいるわ。
当たらんな。
あ、死んだ死んだ死んだ。も
もう一人います。
う一人いる。
ギリがいます。
お前ギリいるわ。
あ、二人やりました。い
I
けます。
wiped out the enemy, so I'll move forward.
飛びます。おー、危ない。
I fell cool. It didn't hurt, so it's safe.
言わせてあげないと最後まで言わせて言わせてあげないんだ。
あ、僕がサイトので入れた。
魚の時代もこれまでされるのか。
入れた。
Thank you for watching until the end. Please subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. Impressions. This time, it was full of festivities all day, and it was also a very fun day with a homely atmosphere.